And unfortunately, when a robot has long sticking prongs out the front, a lot of times they'll get wedged under it. Really go ahead and take your hands off the control. We'll go in there and release your power to really jam himself in there. Let's see if he can do something to this here microwave. Oh, right into the wall. Good driving, Billy. Good job, buddy.
And the microwave wins!
And so far, he gives an F.
Did they make you sign something when you came in?
A little loving touch there, trying not to get stuck under the wall for a change. Let's see if he has enough finesse to get it out there and get a good whack on it. Also, attention competitors, the bracket is up and available. Make sure that when we're getting ready to start matches, so go ahead and start lining up in the back of the arena according to the match schedule. It's available on that computer link that I gave you earlier. If you don't have a portable computer, find somebody who does. We will have printed schedules out pretty soon, but until then, I guess I'll be announcing. Totally Offensive and Poetic Justice will be first, then Icarus and Mobot, and Menmanza, you know who you are, Berserk Robot. Spunky.